We are about to create some email signatures that when you send an email or reply to an email, these signatures will automatically show up, saving you time because you're not typing your name every time. All right, let's go ahead and do this. We start with a brand new email. So in the top left, go ahead and click New Email. I'm using one that I've already typed because I've got the instructions on here. On the message ribbon up on top, over about center, is a button called Signature. We hit the drop-down arrow. You can see I have a couple existing ones, and then the one at the bottom is where we do our design work. I'll click on Signatures. Now I did have two on that list, but we only see one here because I only have one assigned to this email account, and then I have another on this device. It's just not attached to an email address. We're going to create a brand new one. I'll hit New over here on the right-hand side, and I'll call this Reply Signature. Now I'll go ahead and design it. I can change the font styles, size, anything I want. I can put a picture in here, even a hyperlink. Notice at the bottom I have a Save button, and I have a Get Signature Templates, which simply means you would download some Microsoft Word templates, reformat them to what you want, copy and paste them into here. It will give you full instructions on this screen when you go there. Notice below this, if I don't choose which signature I want to use on new messages or replies, then no signature will show up at all. So make sure you click these and you tell it which one you want to use. Now I'll click OK. Well, here's how to use this. I have the same email still open. So I have two options. I could come up to Signature and toggle between Reply Signature or GoSkills Signature. Or I could also right-click and choose on the right-click down on my signature line to use my reply or my formal one. Now notice I do have another one in there. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. Save this, close this, open up a brand new email, top left, and now I'm going to right click and show you what I did. New employee info. You see, this is a backdoor use for signatures. On the signature line, I could go to the signatures portal again, and I could design a form, anything redundant. This could be a disclaimer, this could be onboarding information, this can be a map of your location. You can design absolutely anything that saves you time from typing. It's wonderful. Then to apply it, I simply right-click and I apply which one I want to use at that moment that I'm sending the email. And hit send. It's fantastic. All right, you've got an exercise, an exercise assignment. Create a signature and apply it and use it.